Now let's handle the item selection in a spinner. I want from you to focus with me because it's a different approach here with the spinners. I start with the spinner.onItemSelectedListener equals to object, and this object extends from adapter view dot onItemSelectedListener. Let's break down what's happening. Spinner.onItemSelectedListener. This is accessing the onItemSelectedListener property of the spinner widget named spinner. The onItemSelectedListener is an interface in Android that provides methods to be invoked when an item in the spinner is selected. Object is a way to create an anonymous object in Kotlin, and adapter view.onItemSelectedListener. This is an interface that needs to be implemented. It contains two methods, onItemSelected and onNothingSelected. Here I am creating an anonymous object that implements the adapter view.onItemSelectedListener interface. This object serves as the listener for item selection events. Inside the anonymous object, you implement the onItemSelected method. So here you can see we have an error. We need to click on implement members and override these two methods. Click OK, and here we go. These are the two methods, onItemSelected and onNothingSelected. This method is called when an item in the spinner is selected. You need to provide the logic for what should happen when an item is selected. Display a toast message for the name of the selected item. So val selected item equals to parent view, which is p0, and we have in this case 4 parameters on the onItemSelected. Let's explain every member and every parameter here. P0 is the parent view. This parameter represents the adapter view that triggered the event. In this case, the spinner. The generic type asterisk is a wildcard, meaning that it can be any type of adapter view. In this case, it's a spinner. The second parameter is selected item view. This parameter represents the view that was selected. It can be null if the selection was cleared. For example, if the user scrolls away from the current selection in the dropdown. If the item is selected, this parameter contains the view of the selected item. The third parameter is P2, and it's equivalent to the position. This parameter indicates the position of the selected item within the adapter. The position is a zero-based index. For example, if the first item in the adapter is selected, position will be 0. P3, which is of type long, it refers to the ID. This parameter represents the row ID of the selected item. The row ID is typically the same as the position, but it can be different depending on how the adapter is configured. Inside the onItemSelected method, you can extract information about the selected item. Here, I am going to get the item by using the parent view, which is P0 in this case. And by the way, you can rename if you didn't memorize P0, P1, P2, and P3, you can rename these parameters as parent view, as selected item view, as position, and ID. Here, I can use P0. So again, I'll keep it as P0 by default. P0, which is a parent view dot get item at position. And here, I am passing the position, which is P2 dot to string. And here I need to add this question mark because it can be null. Another way I can use item selected to equals to operating system, pass here the position P2. This is more simpler than this way. I'll comment this and keep the selected item 2. Here I'm getting the item at index P2, which is the position of the selected item from the operating system's list. Toast.make text this. And in this case, we have error in the context because I am working with inside the onItemSelected, which is inside a function called display spinner. This is not referring to the main activity directly. I need to use get application context attribute. So application context is the general application context. Now let's run, and later on we'll talk about the context in Android. This is our spinner. Let me choose Android, and you selected Android. Select another one. You selected Linux. So congratulations, guys. We implemented spinners and handle the selection of items in the spinner.